Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you can see, the weather is fantastic like my tea. I am here with a new video, but this time it is not about English literature or any age from history of English literature. I was much busy as I was on vacations. Now I thought for a change, my girl is learning about alphabets, so I thought it will be very helpful for the toddlers too. So I'm uploading this. Hope you will enjoy, and if you will show love for this video, I will surely going to upload more videos about toddlers. My video about Caroline age is in process, and soon I'm going to upload that video. Till then, you can enjoy this video of my 3 years old daughter Insha. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Okay, you can start your video now.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. Nice to see you again. Hello. It toy ties. Actually, I make this video my all day. I love my mom, but I go to bed. Do you want to see my book? I'm gonna bring it to my door. Look at my book. Look at it. I buy it at the store. Then I pay it for it. Then I get it and put it into the shopping cart. And we get vegetables and back and get groceries, eat our lunch and do our work. Now I need to clean it. Oh no, look at my book here. Now I need to clean it into the back, into the under.
Okay.
Now it is all clean. Hey guys. Now you want to see the pages?
Yes.
Look at these shiny pages. I actually like them. Now I need to start into the back. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane.
Very nice.
B for baby bird.
Very nice.
C for camel. D for duckling.
Very nice.
E for egg.
Very nice.
F for frog.
Very nice.
G for grapes. Grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream.
E.
Ice cream. Ice cream. J for jug.
Very nice.
Now I want to show you another picture of the tree.
Okay.
Look at this one, it's so shiny.
Wow, so clean.
I cleaning the tissue.
From the
now,
tissue, okay.
Now I need to start. K for kite. Kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest.
Very nice.
Nest.
Very nice.
O for oranges. Oranges. B for
Yes. Per.
for
P. Look at your shirt. The parrot is here. Yes. P.
Parrot.
Very nice.
Q for quill. Quill. R for rabbit.
Very nice. Good job, Bima.
Now
You're doing
for
a
the
good
another-
job.
Now for the another picture. It is clean and shiny
Okay.
and sparkly.
Sparking. Okay, sparking. Okay.
S for sun.
Good.
T for tortoise. Q for umbrella.
Good job.
V for
V.
ran. W for bananas.
Okay. You will eat bananas after this. W.
Just a monkey खाता है.
You are also a monkey. Okay. Okay. W.
W for
V.
Aisha उधर से देख रही है.
Aisha, behave yourself. Okay. V.
Watch. X for telephone.
Very good.
Y for yacht.
Good job.
Z for zebra.
Okay. Well done. Good job.
Bye guys. You need to promise me. You need to learn this book. Thank you so much for your subscribers. Yeah, subscribe to your channels. Thank you. I like the subscribers. Bye guys. See you next time.
Good job, Bima.
And
The people are going to subscribe your mom's channel now.
Yes.